Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create WhatsApp username. Friends, this is a new feature, so now you can create a username in WhatsApp, and in future you don't need to give your mobile number to do chatting in WhatsApp. So to create a username you need to open WhatsApp app. Now here you need to press on the three dots. Now press on settings. Now here in settings press on account. Now here you will find username. Press on it. Now here you can use your Instagram or Facebook username, or you can create a new username for your WhatsApp. So press on create username. Now here enter a username and check the availability. As you can see, this username is available. So to take this username I will press on save. So like this you can very easily create a username in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.